After getting dirty and naughty, Vidya Balan has now decided to act pricey, or so it seems. We hear the ever-so-humble Vidya has not just encroached superstardom, but also the starry airs that come along. Mallika Sherawat and Rahul Bose starrer Pyar Ke Side Effects director Saket Chaudhary is keen on making a sequel to this cult hit titled Shaadi Ke Side Effects. And the first name that Saket could think of for this role was the powerhouse of talent Vidya Balan and Farhan Akhtar. Farhan, who's busy shooting for his next project Bhaag Milkha Bhaag, politely denied the offer. But Vidya, on the other hand, doesn't seem to be deciding anything anytime soon. Saket offered the role to Vidya in November, and now 6 months later, Vidya just seems to be adding to the hassles of the director without giving him a clarity on her yes. Either Vidya is too busy shooting or promoting her film, or after all the hard work, Vidya decides to take a much intended break.
अभी 2-3 महीने का मैं ब्रेक लूंगी, सोऊंगी आराम से.
Well, director Saket Chaudhary is man with a plan, and in case Vidya refuses the offer, he has Kareena and Sonam in mind for the same role. But all he awaits now is for either a yes or a no from Vidya. We also hear that it's not just Saket, but director Sujoy Ghosh too had to do a lot of coaxing to get Vidya to be a part of Kahani. Vidya Balan isn't called the female armored perfectionist Khan without a reason. After Sujoy Ghosh, it took Vidya another 8 months to give her nod on the Imran Hashmi starrer comic thriller Ghan Chakkar. But Vidya's this attitude is also causing her to lose out on many offers. Also, the highly acclaimed Pan Singh Tomar's director Tigmanshu Dhulia wanted to cast Vidya in his next, but with Vidya keeping him on hold, Tigmanshu decided to move on and cast Rani Mukherjee. It is believed that Vidya's pricey behavior is actually her obsession with the script of the film. If she likes the script, she may say so, but it isn't until the script is completed with all the actions and reactions that Vidya truly gives a nod to the project. Well, if that's the case, then Vidya's pricey behavior can be justified. What say?